This is a fake mangrove tree. We call it mangle falso because he looks like a mangrove tree for the type of roots, like that one. Look at this one, for example.
Right.
But these guys obviously are not mangroves because they live in the forest. But I like to check here because sometimes I find a tarantula or a frog, but no, not right now. Hola. This is Guayabo Sura. Something really cool that this tree has is that the puma likes to come here and clean the claws. Look at the scratches here. And also here. Yeah, so we put the camera on this one to record him because we start to find this over here and we start to feel like the pee of the puma that it smells really bad, and we record it.
Did you get him on the camera?
Yeah, not me with the trap cameras. We put it right there. Hello. This one is chilamate. You guys want to take like a family picture over there?
Sure.
Can I do it for you? Okay, but give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Don't go yet. Do it. Okay, when I tell you go, everybody go. Okay?
Okay.
You guys can stand up very close to the wall, and then look at me.
Okay.
Go. Where does it go? Let me take a picture now. Like that. One like this. Another one. You're welcome. It's so cool that the kids can just do that, right? So like if I can take a look at the pictures, I got one like that one, a little bit far away, and take a look at the video. No, the other one is the video. That's pretty cool.
Very nice.
Yeah, so this is chilamate. This is actually another type of ficus, guys.
That's a what?
Ficus, like ficus. Actually, I find some ficus, like the fruits yesterday. I don't like it. It's eatable, but I don't like it at all. When you buy it, it feels like you're eating like sand. It's kind of weird. Monkeys, I Actually, they also don't like it.
They don't like it
I
either.
think they eat it when they're too hungry and there's nothing else to eat before this.
Look at this.
Okay, I have a weird dude right there. Give me 1 second. I'm just here. It sounds like a rat. This is actually a pretty guy. He is a pretty, no kidding. Just a really. Okay, yes, I know this stuff. The name of this guy is Greater, okay, Northern Greater White Line Hat.
Like we always see.
I hear it. They do squiggles like a rat, like a mouse. He has a perfect camouflage. Try to find like white zigzag lines. That's the back. You see it? Well, that's actually very good. I'm going to show you the back. You're going to see it. Don't worry. But that's good, so that way you can realize how well animals blend in. I mean, like he's right there. He's just invisible to us. Did you see it? Can I take a picture with your phone, my friend? And I'm going to try to zoom in. I did that on purpose because it's too dark. But if I zoom in a little bit here, it's going to be easier for you to see. I zoom in and now I can see his face. He's looking right at me. So funny. No, take a look, miss. I'm sorry, it's not the best picture, my friend, but it's too dark.
Right.
But I can see it on
This is what it looks
camera.
like. You can
I can see it on camera.
saw that.
Here, he just make a sound. I think he's complaining. What you guys are doing? Let me sleep. Believe it or not, you are not the only one. You have no idea how often that happens because it's very hard to see. If your eyes
Oh, I
don't,
see it now.
if your eyes don't used to see something, it's very hard until that thing show up. Even if it's right up.
It's like little.
Oh yeah, he's very
Yeah.
tiny.
Yeah.
Like in real life, without
wonder
that
why I
thing,
couldn't
he's like
see
this
it.
size. This is a fruit bag, by the way. Fruit bag. I'm very proud to say that our country, Costa Rica, has the second place in the world with more different types of bats. We have 124 different species. That is insane. Especially that bats are mammals, you know? And from those 124 different kinds, we got 3 species that drink blood. Like they are actually vampires. I mean, like, not like in the movies, but they do drink blood. That's what they do. It's hot, huh? Have you got thirsty? I told you to bring the bottle, like, hide it.
Are there, what do you call the guys, the rangers? Rangers? Or do they walk the trail too?
Yeah, but they're too lazy, my friend. That's what I didn't say that. We're the ones that
Well, I didn't
are
know if we were
always
gonna,
walking.
I didn't know if we were gonna walk by one
Do
of
we
them
need to hide?
while we're drinking the water. Need to hide the water.
Sometimes they like to shake the backpacks. Or they do like this to see if somebody has something that is not correct. That's something stupid. You know what I think? I think probably Costa Rican people will let more garbage than tourists.
Yeah.
You guys come here to see nature. You're not gonna let plastic in the body, right? Oh, let's see. Yesterday I found something really cool here. Let's see if they're still here. Uh-oh. Did I just do that?
It was like shaking.
Can I? Yeah, I'm just gonna put it here.
Yeah, I noticed it earlier too. It was vibrating.
Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of crazy. Don't supposed to do that. Right there, we got. Ah, yes, they're still there. That's a beehive of the smallest honeybees in the world.
Okay.
The good thing is that they don't sting, my friend. Don't worry.
There was one beside the bathroom.
Oh.
Let's see. Take a look, guys. Yesterday, before going to bed, I saw a giant mosquito. I almost died yesterday. And my throat's still really bad.
From the mosquito?
It was big.
Oh, I see that. Interesting.
The name of the bees we have over there are mariolas.
Everywhere.
Yes, sir. They're flying. They're very active at this part. I really hope that they're still there, you know. I mean, like they live there. They stay there, I'm sorry. That would be cool to show everybody.
Yeah.
I saw them yesterday. 1 liter of the honey of this bee cost about $100. 1 liter. That happened because the honey is medicinal. All indigenous used to extract the honey of these bees to put the honey on their eyes to cure the cataracts.
Oh, really?
That was so funny. Because yesterday when I saw the bees here, I was with other people, and I say that. And the guy, he was like, "Are you serious? I just paid $2,000 to pick my eyes. You told me for $100 I can do it." That was so funny. Man. Yeah. So what we can see over there is the bee pond. That's basically like the tunnel that they used to get in. But the nest is inside. So extract the honey of that one. Those ones are impossible. You see how tiny they are? And it's beautiful because they don't sting. You can actually get there and touch it, and nothing is gonna happen. They don't even bite. Ah, I know what's going on.